Good morning. Today I'm going to fix what I call an easy omelet. As you can see, I've got my eggs all in here. I'm going to mix them up really good. Now, I'm going to add some ham, some bacon bits, and some cheese. Gonna mix that up really well. Make sure my eye's on. As you can see, it's all mixed up really good in there. Now, I've just put a small amount of olive oil on the pan. Pour it all in there. Now, I also have some zucchini and tomatoes over here, and normally I put it in here, but my husband don't like them, so I do them a little separate. We're going to get this cooking. I put my stove eye on about medium. I get it cooking, and then I'll lower it down a bit. Now, as you can see, we're starting to cook now. You have to stay right on top of it because you don't want your eggs to scorch. They just will not taste right. Now, sometimes when you got cheese in it, it don't appear to be done when it really is done. And we're about to get there. Just look at all that ham and bacon. And who don't like bacon? Okay, now we're about done. We're going to turn the eye off. Now, this one here, we're going to put some tomatoes on. And we're going to put some zucchini in it. The zucchini is really good for you, by the way. Now we have two easy omelets. Just fix it any way you like it.